Hello, hello. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for popping on to watch. I know right now there's a lot of mixed messages in the media about what is going on with the housing market. And so I thought it would be really interesting for you, if you're interested in this type of stuff, to just kind of do a brief snapshot of what is actually going on in our marketplace. So here you're going to see this is Hennepin County. In Hennepin County, we do not anticipate to have any decreased values. Right here, you can see where appreciation forecast is. Over the next 5 years, we still expect to see about 15% appreciation across homes, which is average, right? Like we don't always need to see 20, 30% appreciation. That's not a super healthy market. So what we're forecasting out here is truly more of a healthy market. Down here is what I think is really interesting. So right now in Hennepin County, there is 112,000 people who can afford to be purchasing a home, but are currently sitting on the sidelines waiting to purchase. And right now, inventory wise, there's only 2 homes for sale for every 1,000 people in Hennepin County. And over here is a snapshot of how many homes are being built in the area versus what is needed. What does this all add up to mean? It means that right now we still have a ton of demand. When we have a shortage of homes, that is what keeps bringing up home values, keeps the demand going, and doesn't allow us to have backwards appreciation in the market. So, all things pointing towards the home that you purchase is going to stay at its value, continue to appreciate, continue to help you build wealth. If you're curious or would like one of these reports ran for your specific zip code, feel free to just shoot me a note and we can send one over. Thanks for watching.